Hi friends. Government of India refused to issue visa to Franklin Graham. Franklin Graham is a world famous Bible preacher and also he is a son of the world famous Bible preacher Billy Graham. He was scheduled to visit Nagaland, but the government of India refused to issue a visa, citing conversion is a reason. But the fact of the matter is that only through Judeo Christianity it is possible to convert a mortal man into an immortal man. That's what the greatest good news of Judeo Christianity. Of course, it is not going to be preached by Reverend Franklin Graham. This is what I would like to provoke your thoughts, my friends. Once again, only through Judeo Christianity it is possible to pass over or convert from morality unto immortality. That's what Judeo Christianity is all about, my friends. Thanks for listening.